Have you ever wondered how we managed to navigate before the advent of modern technology? Geolocation, the process of determining or estimating the geographic position of an object, plays a pivotal role in aviation. It's the beating heart of navigation, guiding aircraft from point A to point B, across continents and oceans. Over the centuries, navigation techniques have evolved dramatically, from the celestial guidance of ancient seafarers to the satellite-based systems we rely on today. This transformative journey has reshaped our world, making it smaller and more interconnected. It's a story of human ingenuity, a testament to our quest for exploration and discovery. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. Join us as we embark on a journey from the stars to satellites, exploring the fascinating evolution of geolocation in aviation. Long before GPS and modern technology, ancient civilizations looked to the stars for guidance. It's hard to imagine, but celestial navigation was our earliest form of finding our way around this vast world. Civilizations like the Phoenicians and Vikings, masters of the sea, used stars and constellations for navigation. They observed the movement of stars, traced constellations, and used these celestial bodies as their compass, guiding them across the oceans. Yet celestial navigation wasn't without its challenges, especially in the context of aviation. It was tricky to say the least. Pilots had to rely on clear night skies, and even then, clouds could obscure their view. Navigating by stars was also time-consuming. It required not just knowledge of the stars but also the ability to make complex calculations on the fly. Weather changes, seasonal star shifts, and the Earth's rotation added further complications. However, despite its complexity and limitations, celestial navigation was a crucial stepping stone. It was the foundation upon which we built our understanding of navigation. It was the spark that ignited our curiosity, leading us to explore, to innovate, and to develop more precise methods of navigation. Despite its limitations, celestial navigation laid the groundwork for the evolution of more precise navigation methods. As we began to understand our world better, we started mapping it out, leading to significant strides in navigation. The field of cartography emerged, with pioneers like Claudius Ptolemy at the helm, transforming our understanding of the world and our place in it. Detailed maps became our guides, offering a bird's-eye view of our surroundings. This was also when we began to use a grid system on our maps, introducing the concepts of latitude and longitude. These invisible lines circling the globe became critical in determining precise locations, significantly impacting flight navigation. Latitude, running east to west, and longitude, running north to south, allowed us to pinpoint any location on Earth. For aviators, this meant a consistent and reliable way to chart their flight paths. They could now navigate vast skies with confidence, knowing their exact position relative to their destination. And while this system was a vast improvement over celestial navigation, it was still dependent on visual cues and manual calculations. In essence, cartography was a game changer, paving the way for modern navigation systems. With the advent of radio technology, navigation took a significant leap forward. In the mid-20th century, systems like long-range navigation, or LORAN for short, began to emerge. These radio-based systems allowed for more precise and reliable navigation than ever before. LORAN, for instance, used low-frequency radio signals from multiple transmitters to provide navigational coordinates, a breakthrough at the time. However, like any technology in its early stages, radio navigation had its limitations. Signal interference, range restrictions, and the need for multiple transmitters were among the challenges faced. Yet, these hurdles did not overshadow the value these systems brought to the table. They paved the way for the development of more advanced technologies by proving that electronic navigation could be practical and precise. These radio navigation systems served as a critical bridge between the era of celestial and cartographic navigation and the dawn of a new age. An age that would be marked by a technology so revolutionary, it would redefine the concept of navigation entirely. Radio navigation served as a stepping stone towards a more revolutionary technology, the global positioning system. In the late 20th century, a new era of navigation dawned with the invention of GPS. Developed by the United States Department of Defense, GPS, or Global Positioning System, was initially designed for military use. It employed a network of satellites to provide geospatial positioning with remarkable accuracy. The initial use was primarily for precision in military operations, but the potential for civilian applications soon became evident. As the 20th century drew to a close, GPS was opened up to the public. This revolutionized navigation as we know it, impacting various sectors including, most notably, aviation. With GPS, pilots could now navigate with an unprecedented level of accuracy. Flight paths could be charted with pinpoint precision, vastly improving safety and efficiency in the skies. The invention of GPS marked a turning point in the history of navigation, transforming not just aviation, but our everyday lives. Today, GPS is an indispensable tool in aviation, offering unrivaled accuracy and efficiency. With GPS, aircraft can navigate the skies with pinpoint precision, knowing their exact location at all times. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so in the safest, most efficient way possible. Real-time tracking is another game changer. Air traffic controllers can monitor aircraft with unprecedented accuracy, ensuring optimal spacing between planes and streamlining flight paths for maximum efficiency. This reduces fuel consumption, saves time, and minimizes the impact on the environment. GPS has also enhanced flight safety immeasurably. It provides pilots with crucial real-time data such as altitude, speed, and direction, helping them make informed decisions in challenging situations. Route optimization is another major advantage of GPS. It allows for the creation of more direct routes, bypassing traditional airways. This not only saves time but also reduces congestion in busy airspace. In essence, GPS has transformed aviation from a complex dance of approximation and estimation into a symphony of precision and efficiency. GPS has revolutionized the aviation industry, but the journey doesn't end here. As technology continues to evolve, GPS is being combined with other advancements to further enhance navigation. Just like a symphony that becomes more beautiful with the harmony of different instruments, GPS, when integrated with artificial intelligence and machine learning, transforms into a powerful tool that can analyze geospatial data with unprecedented precision. These technologies work together to create predictive models, automate processes, and provide valuable insights, enabling a new level of efficiency and safety in aviation. GPS is the conductor, guiding the tempo and the direction, while AI and machine learning are the orchestra, interpreting the score and creating the melody. But the concert doesn't end here. GPS is also playing a pivotal role in emerging technologies like the Internet of Things and augmented reality. In the realm of IoT, GPS provides the crucial location data that helps connect and coordinate countless devices, from drones to autonomous vehicles. In augmented reality, GPS data is used to overlay digital information onto our physical world, creating immersive experiences and practical applications. The integration of GPS with other technologies promises to take navigation to new heights. As we look to the future, the potential of GPS in shaping the next generation of aviation is immense. The precise geolocation and real-time tracking offered by GPS will be the foundation of tomorrow's aviation technology. Imagine passenger planes navigating the skies with such precision that air traffic management becomes a seamless, fluid dance. The integration of GPS with advanced artificial intelligence will enable this, enhancing route optimization and further improving flight safety. As we cast our gaze wider, the influence of GPS extends beyond the aviation industry. Autonomous vehicles, whether they're cruising on our highways or soaring in our skies, will rely heavily on GPS for navigation. The technology will be integral in the development of smart cities where everything from traffic management to public transportation could be guided by GPS. Furthermore, precision agriculture, where every inch of a field is analyzed and optimized, will also benefit from advancements in GPS technology. Farmers will be able to maximize their yield and minimize waste, all thanks to the pinpoint accuracy of GPS technology. The future of aviation is exciting, with GPS at the helm of this technological revolution. From celestial navigation to GPS, the journey of geolocation in aviation has been nothing short of remarkable. The transformation from ancient navigation techniques to modern GPS systems is a testament to human ingenuity and our undying quest to conquer the skies. In the beginning, celestial navigation was our only guide. Ancient civilizations gazed up at the stars and constellations, charting their paths across the vast oceans and the endless sky. But as romantic as it may sound, celestial navigation had its limitations, particularly for early aviators attempting to navigate the complex airways. Then came the advent of cartography, a game-changer in the world of navigation. The introduction of latitude and longitude in maps provided a more precise way to chart a course, laying the groundwork for the future of flight path navigation. The age of radio further paved the way for modern navigation. Pioneering systems like LoRaWAN offered a new level of accuracy, yet they too had their limitations. But these systems played a crucial role, setting the stage for a revolutionary leap in navigation technology, the Global Positioning System. The invention of GPS by the United States Department of Defense marked a seismic shift in the world of geolocation. Once exclusive to the military, the GPS system became accessible to the public, transforming not just aviation but countless sectors worldwide. In modern aviation, GPS has become synonymous with precision and efficiency. The ability to track aircraft in real time and optimize flight paths has enhanced safety, efficiency, and overall air traffic management. And the story doesn't end there. The integration of GPS with technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning is opening up new possibilities, enhancing geospatial data analysis, and driving innovations in fields like Internet of Things and augmented reality. As we look to the future, the role of GPS in next-generation aviation becomes even more intriguing. Advancements in GPS technology will continue to shape the future of aviation, influencing developments in autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and precision agriculture. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the sky is truly the limit. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of geolocation and aviation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.